Desktop CNC machining just got serious, especially with the Makera Z1 and its Pro upgrade. Today we're breaking down the key differences between the standard Z1 and the Z1 Pro and helping you decide whether the Pro version is worth your investment. So the Makera Z1 is a compact desktop CNC designed to bring pro-grade performance into your studio, workshop, or makerspace. It combines 0.02mm precision, 4-axis machining, quick tool changes, smart auto leveling, and even laser processing support, all in a small footprint with integrated dust control and a built-in monitoring camera. It's paired with intuitive software and an ecosystem that simplifies workflows from CAD to finished parts. Here are its pros. It has excellent accuracy and versatility across wood, metal, plastics, and even tougher materials. Easy setup and auto calibration make it friendly for beginners and experienced users alike. Integrated dust management and camera monitoring keep your workspace cleaner and jobs easier to track. However, the standard lead screw motion and stepper motors are good, but not ideal for most demanding work. In short, the Z1 is already very capable for most CNC projects, prototyping, creative fabrication, and general machining. Makera Z1 Pro built on the base model with two key mechanical upgrades: ball screw on all axes and closed-loop stepper motors, replacing the standard lead screws and open-loop motion of the base Z1. These changes reduces backlash, improve motion smoothness, and add automatic position correction to eliminate lost steps under tough loads. Some of its pros: higher motion precision and long-term accuracy. Ball screws cut down mechanical slack and improve repeatability. Closed-loop motors maintain position even under load, meaning fewer missed steps and more consistent cuts. Motion is quieter and smoother, and the machine handles heavier continuous work more reliably. However, for many hobbies or light metal projects, the standard Z1 is already strong, so these upgrades mainly benefit precision demanding or production use cases. Not every user needs closed-loop performance. Some backers say the standard mechanics are fine for typical tasks and upgrades can be added later. The bottom line: Pro doesn't radically change what the machine can do, it improves how consistently and accurately it does it. So is the Pro upgrade worth it? Choose the standard Makera Z1 if you're a hobbyist, maker, educator, or casual creator. Your projects are mostly wood, plastics, and light metal work, and you want great performance right out of the box with easy setup. Choose the Makera Z1 Pro if you want higher industrial-grade motor precision and top-tier replaceability. You plan to do tight tolerance machining, long unattended runs, or heavier materials, and you want closed-loop reliability so the machine self-corrects and reduces missed steps. In other words, standard Z1 is excellent for an all-around CNC, while Z1 Pro is more accurate and robust for demanding work. If precision and long-term reliability matter to you, Pro is likely worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.